and welcome to another edition of Senior Moments in the Kitchen. Today we're making my special eggplant parmesan with a twist, and we'll get to the twist in just a second. Here are the main ingredients you need to make a serving for 4 people. Obviously eggplants, 2 medium ones will do the job, and then you need a couple of eggs, actual eggs, for the egg wash to coat the slices of eggplant. You need tomato paste to put in the layers, and you need some panko crumbs. Those will cover the eggplant when you first bake it. And then obviously you need cheese. We got your mozzarella cheese. We've got your shaved Parmesan cheese. And here's the twist. We are going to make a ricotta eggplant Parmesan. So in the layers we're going to be putting a ricotta cheese. So let's go ahead and get started. What you need to do first is slice everything up and get your eggplant ready. Okay, so now we're in the assembly stage. First thing we're going to do is take sliced eggplant, put it in the egg wash, then put it in the panko crumbs, and put it on baking sheets for the initial bake. So here we go. So the next thing we're going to do is take the panko covered eggplant slices and bake them for 5 minutes on each side in a 350-degree oven. So let's go on to the next step. Okay, it's time to get started with the final assembly. First you start with putting just a thin layer of tomato sauce in the pan, glass pan that you're going to be using to do the final bake. Then you start laying down the eggplant. Okay, once you have the eggplant in there, another layer of sauce. Okay, and now you put a layer down of Parmesan cheese. Just kind of liberally spread it all over. Now here's where the difference comes in. Normally you put down a layer of mozzarella there, but we're saving the mozzarella just to put on the top. So this is where you put in the ricotta instead. It's going to give it a nice creamy texture when it's all done. Alright, now for the final part of the process, we are going to take our eggplant parmesan, put it in a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes, and then it will be done. Okay, so we're almost done. Last couple of minutes we broil it to kind of get a nice crust on top of it. So it should be ready in about another minute or so. Check on it real quick. Oh, looking good, looking good. Alright, let's take this puppy out. Oh yeah, that is fine looking. Let's get a nice close-up shot of that. Alright, we're gonna slice it up and show you what it looks like sort of on the inside, and then we're going to eat. Alright, so we're doing dinner and a movie tonight, so we're kind of just hanging out at the coffee table with the TV in front of me, but we're going to get a taste first, just to check it out. Cheers. Eggplant tastes delicious. The ricotta cheese is smooth and creamy. The tomato paste gives it this nice sweet tomato taste. Home run, baby, home run. Thanks for joining me for this edition of Senior Moments in the Kitchen. Another cooking lesson coming up soon.